Children, today we are going to read the chapter Careful Hands. I have narrated the story. Today we will be reading the chapter. Here I go. Let me take the pen in my hand. Yes, once there was, now first I'll begin, Careful Hands. Okay, once there was a little boy called Hans. Please children, read with me children. Bring your book. He lived in Germany with his mother near a great forest. His grandmother lived in a small cottage not far away. One day his mother said, Hans, I am going to the market. Go and spend the day with your grandmother. Hans went along the dusty path through the forest. He played in his grandmother's garden all day. In the afternoon, let me slide up. Okay, this is better. In the afternoon, his grandmother said, Hans, take this needle to your mother. Look after it carefully. On the way home, a hay cart passed Hans. Hans put the needle in the hay and walked behind the cart. At last, he got home, but he could not find the needle. Then what happened? Because he kept in the hay cart and he could not find the needle. After that, what happened? Yes. You, first line I am reading without the pen children. You are a foolish boy, Hans, said his mother. Put a needle in your sleeve like this, not in the hay. Mama advised her, you should not put like this, not in the hay, in the sleeve. So the next week, Hans went to his grandmother's house again. He played the whole day. Later, his grandmother said, Hans, please take this knife to your mother. Next line, Hans started off for home. He remembered his mother's words. He put the knife carefully inside his sleeve. When he got home, the knife was not there. It had fallen out on his way home. Oh, foolish boy, said his mother. You should have put it in your pocket. The next week, Hans played with a little puppy at his grandmother's house. In next line, the afternoon, he said, Granny, can I take this puppy home? Next line, yes, but look after it carefully, said his grandmother. Hans stuffed the puppy into his pocket. When he took the puppy out at home, it didn't move. Yes, then what happened? Oh, what have you done? You foolish boy, cried his mother. You told me to put it in my pocket, said Hans. After a few minutes, the puppy opened its eyes. You are foolish, Hans, said his mother. You should have put it along, tied to a string. आपने बांधा क्यों नहीं उसको? Next week, Hans took the puppy to his grandmother's house. After tea, his grandmother said, Here it is a piece of meat. Carry it home. 1 minute, children. Carry it home to your mother. Then Next, what happened, children? Yes, first line, I will not take the pen. Hans tied the meat with a string and dragged it along behind him. The puppy followed Hans, nibbling the meat. When Hans got home, he had no meat because who has eaten? The puppy. You should have put it in a piece of paper and put the packet on your head, said his mother. Now mama said कि आपने मीट को पैकेट में डाल के ऊपर क्यों नहीं डाला? So next week Hans' grandmother gave him a pound of butter. Hans wrapped the butter in some paper and put the packet on his head. Then next what happened, children? Yes, one more. Yes, then let me read this. When he reached home, his mother looked at him and cried out, "What it is, all that yellow stuff on your head and back?" The butter had melted in the sun. "You are a foolish boy," said his mother. Again, what he did, when he was told, whatever he was told for the previous one, he was doing it for the next thing which the grandmother had told him to bring it to home. So everything went off wrong, and it was a what he used to do when mama told him to put the first, what he did, grandmother gave the needle, है ना, and then what he did, he put it in the hay. When mama said, no, you should have put the needle is so small, you should have put it in the sleeve. The next time when grandmama gave the knife, what he did, he kept it in the sleeve. Such a big knife, how it can be in the sleeve? Again it fell down. है ना, like this it went off. Then mama said that you should have tied it to the string. So what he did, that thing he did with the meat, उसने मीट के साथ किया. And when he was dragging the meat, पपी भी था उसके साथ में, पपी ate all the meat बेटा, है ना, पपी ate all the meat. The meat was not there. Then mama said, why didn't you put it on the paper and put it on your head? So next time when the granny gave the butter, what he did, he kept it on his head. And he was walking along. So what happened, due to the heat of the sun, the butter melted and all yellow stuff was there on his head and on his body. So at last mama said, my, it's not possible to explain you. You are an impossible boy. You are a foolish boy. That's all, children. Please read the chapter, children. Please.